Hello and welcome guys. So in this video I am going to build a Facebook automation project which I have explained in the last video. So if you guys are new to the video, I recommend you to watch that intro video in which I have run the project and showed what I am going to build in this. So in this video I am going to code each part of that project. I am going to automate Facebook, which will run like a bot, and it will perform like a bot, which will explore Facebook and like some post, and also it can post some status on Facebook. So it will do everything. I have already posted the intro video of this project. If you guys are new to my channel, you can watch from there. So before getting started, you have to install some libraries. So for this project I want Selenium library of Python. So you have to install this Selenium library. So go to command prompt. If you are using Anaconda, then go to Anaconda prompt and install from there pip install. So here go to Anaconda, and if you have setting a virtual environment, then activate your virtual environment from here and then pip install Selenium. And if you are using idle, or if you are not using Anaconda, you are using idle or any other text editor, from here go to command prompt and just pip install Selenium. So from here just pip install Selenium. So in this if I'm using Anaconda, so I will install Selenium from here. So to install Selenium, before installing Selenium, I have to activate my virtual environment. So I'm going to activate my virtual environment by typing this web scrap activate virtual environment. Okay, so from here I will pip install Selenium. So here pip Selenium is already installed. So you can install by simply writing this command pip install Selenium if you're using Anaconda. If you're not using Anaconda, then simply go to command prompt and install Selenium. My library is installed, and I need one more automation tool which I am going to do. So you have to install one driver, because I am going to automate Facebook, so I need Google Chrome to automate. So I need one driver. So go to Chrome and type Chrome web driver. So type on Google Chrome web driver and download this. Open this link. Chromedriver.com from chromedriver.chromium.org. So open this link and you have to choose your version, Chrome version. So let's check our version. So from here settings, go to about Chrome, and here we go. And here my version is 88.0.43. okay, so 88 version. So this is my version. So from here you choose your operating system. So my OS is Windows 32, so choose this Win32. If you are using Mac, then choose this, or if you are using Linux, then choose this. So download this zip file, as I have already downloaded the zip file. And after downloading this zip file, extract the chromedriver.exe file. Okay, after extracting that file, move this file here in C drive and in Windows. Move this file here, as I have already moved here the Chromedriver. This one. This is after extracting your file, you will get like this chromedriver.exe. So extract that file and you will get this, and move this in C drive in Windows folder. Why I am doing this? Because sometimes we face some path issue in which we see that path is not recognized by Chromedriver. So I'm moving this in Windows folder so that it is globally accepted and it will recognize your path. So there is no issue of path. So my libraries is installed and Chromedriver is also ready. So let's get started. So first of all, I am going to import time library, and then from Selenium I need WebDriver. Okay, so from Selenium I've imported WebDriver. So my libraries is imported, and next I am going to define one variable driver. Driver is equal to WebDriver dot Chrome, no, C is capital, dot Chrome. So I have defined my driver variable which is going to perform everything. So this driver variable will do everything. You can treat this driver variable like a bot which will do everything. Each functionality I am going to give every instruction to this driver variable. So you can treat that driver variable as a bot. So when I start this driver variable, then I also have to end this driver variable. So to end this driver, I need this command to quit. So when I execute this code, then driver is executed and then driver will quit. So everything I am going to do is inside this. Okay, so first of all, what I want when I start my driver. So when I start my driver, I want that it's start with Google. Okay, so to get start, so let's comment out here. So to get start with Google, so you have to write this driver.get, and here you have to type the link of Google. Okay, so copy here the link of Google and paste here. Give some sleep, time.sleep of 5 seconds, and when I execute this program, so it will open Google. Okay, and after 5 seconds driver will stop. Great, it's performing as like we want. So next what I want, let's open Google. So when I open Google, so my program is opening Google. Okay, great. So when I open Google, I want my program to search Facebook, and just click here. So to make this, you have to inspect this and see the HTML element for that search bar. So this is the search bar. So here you see, this is the search bar where I am going to type Facebook. Okay, so see here, this search box is here in HTML element. You see, this is of class of this, and its name is Q. Okay, I am going to use this name Q, and I think this name is unique here. There is no other name. Okay, so I am going to use this name Q. So let's go to Spider and type here. So let's comment out typing Facebook. So I'm going to write this. So I need that search box. Okay, so to get that search box, I have to use some tools. So I am using here driver dot find element by name. Okay, so this command will help us. So I'm using here driver dot find element by name. So here is name is Q. So I'm going to type here Q. Okay, I'm going to type here Q, and I want to send him. So let's use send keys to send him the name Facebook. So now I want my driver to send him the name Facebook in that box. Okay, and let's give some sleep time dot sleep. I'm going to give here 5 seconds. So first of all, I have defined my driver, and then I have given this link so that my driver get start from Google, and that I've given the driver the command that go driver and search for search that element which have name Q and give this key value as Facebook. Okay, and then I have given some sleep time. And next, what I have done, I've given the instruction to driver, go driver and search for this class name, and then click that button. And if this is button, then click that button. And if my class name is wrong and something went wrong, then when I perform this function, then it will pop the error that no value find which is clickable. So we have to be careful before defining our class, that whether it is a button or something different. Okay, so our task is done. So when I click Facebook, then it will open the page something like this. And what's next we want? So next we want that when this page is open, then my driver is going to click this link so that it's going to log in the page. So before this, I have to log out from this so that we can see and we can give the instruction to the driver. Okay, so what I want, that after opening this page, and make sure guys, for one thing, that your page layout should be the same as your window, because if there is something like if you are using something like this and defining on the basis of this, then when you run, then you will face some issue, because when you increase the size of this window, then classes are also changing dynamically. So I recommend you to use the default size, the full screen size. So from here I want to use this link. Okay, so click here and let's see in which part it is lying. So it is in this. Okay, but I want to use this because I want to use this anchor tag, because when I click this, then it will open the new page. So I want to use this. So to use this, we have to use its class name. So what's the class name? So let's use this anchor tag. So let's copy its XPath. So from here, copy XPath, and let's go to spider and give driver instruction that, hey driver, find element by XPath, and paste the link here and just click this and give some time sleep so that we can see our result. Okay, so my Google is opened. Driver is searching for Facebook, and driver opened the Facebook login page. Okay, so driver has successfully opened the login page. Okay, great. So what's next we want? So after opening this page, I want to type here my email ID and password. So we have to check for this one. So this is the input. Okay, so this is the input where we have to give our email ID. Okay, so let's go and copy its XPath, and from here I'm going to comment out typing ID password. So give driver instruction that, hey driver, find that section where we have to type our email ID and paste that one, and then send that keys, and in this I am going to send my email ID as key. So @gmail.com. okay, animation, okay, correct. Let's give some sleep time. Here after each statement I am giving sleep time, because if I not give this, then my driver will get exit and he will not see our window. So I've given the instruction to driver that, hey driver, go to that section where we have to type our email ID and then send keys as my email ID. Hit save and see. So driver is opening Google and typing Facebook. Driver is searching Facebook. Nice. Okay, so driver selected search Facebook. Okay, so driver is opening this. So next what I want to enter here keys as email ID and second keys as password. So I want to driver to enter here the password. So one more thing I want to show you here, that here if you are doing like this, then you will face some issue. If I use this this layout of my web page, then it will show the error when we are going to use this, because driver is going to see this part of web page. So be careful to use the original layout of your web page. Okay, so if the web page is opening something like this, then try to use this one, not like this, because if you are using like this, then you will face some issue. Okay, so now I am going to, so let's set dock down to this so that there is easiness in finding anything. So let's check for this section. Okay, so this is the password section where my Facebook password, so its name is pass. Okay, so I'm going to search like this. So I need next, hey driver, find element by name whose name is pass and send keys as my password. Hit run and see. So driver is typing Facebook, searching for Facebook. Okay, so driver is opening Facebook login page. Now driver is typing the email ID, but not password. Why? Because here I have not set the sleep time. So program exit after this statement and I can't view that one. So hit run and see. So driver is typing Facebook, driver searching, okay, driver search Facebook, okay, next go to login, okay, so driver logged into the Facebook. So driver type email ID and password, okay, great. Open this login page. So next I want to click this button, so we have to search for this button. So this is the class of our button. What is the name? So here this is login, its name is login, okay, nice. So here we have to define one variable login. You can define it in a separate variable, no issue, and login dot and you can directly do that. But sometimes we have seen that doing multiple steps in a one line without defining the variable, there's some error popping out due to this. So it's better to define some variable when you are using button. So always define variable when you are using button. So here I have defined this login variable which will logged in. So I'm going to give instruction to my driver that, hey driver, find element by name whose name is login, and when you find that, then click that element and give some time dot sleep to view that. So give the time of 5 seconds, hit run and see. So my driver is typing Facebook, okay, driver is searching Facebook, driver is going to login page of Facebook, typing email ID, okay, good, password, nice. Okay guys, so driver successfully logged in to the page. So let's give some more time to 7 seconds. So what's next I want? Let's log in and then let's see. So next I want when Facebook is open. So next I want, if you want to post status, then you have to use this one to click that to tell driver that, hey driver, click on this and send keys as which your status you want to send, and then click on post button. You can also post your status. But now what I want, I don't want to post status, so I want to like some post. Okay, so to like some post you have to use this button to like some post. So let's check for this button. Where is this button? Okay, so this is the part. Where is the button? Okay, I think we have to use this X path. So now I want to like some post. So to like some post, define a variable like one and give driver instruction driver dot find, hey driver, find element by X path, and give him this path and click that button and give some time dot sleep. I'm giving time dot sleep of 5 seconds, hit save and see. So driver searching for Facebook. Okay. Typing password. Driver logged into the Facebook. Oh, one issue is here. So Google Chrome is popping one message that allow Facebook wants to show you notification. So this is the big issue always we are facing. This is a big error which we have to fix before using our page, because when my driver is going to open this page, then driver will not get any class, because all class is hidden by this one, by this notification window. So we have to disable this notification window to see our class, which is here. So to see the class, first of all we have to hide this notification window. So we have to hide this. So to hide this, we have to use some WebDriver option which we are going to use. So we have to define it here. So let's comment out with dealing with pop-ups. So let's define one variable, Chrome options equal to, let's give here WebDriver dot Chrome option. I'm using this to disable my pop-up. So try to use the same text which I have written here. So if you miss any one thing, then you will definitely face some issue. So this 4 line of code is not 4 line. This 3 line of code is only to deal with pop-ups and to disable the pop-ups, and nothing more is in this. I have added this functionality to this so that driver will disable the pop-ups. Any pop-ups occurring in that page will disable by the driver. Okay, so hit run and see what's happening now. So my login is open. Oh great, so my program is liking the first post. Okay, so program is executing. All right, so let's go and see what next we want. So next I want that after clicking this like button, so I want that my program is liking the post in alternate fashion. So I want that when my program logged into the Facebook, then it like first post, and then third one, and then fifth one. So I have to use this one. Okay, so this is my first post. Okay, and this is second one, so this is third one. So I want my program to like this third post, this third like button. Okay, so I have to use this one. So let's copy its XPath and then I will show you the pattern, one pattern. So here set like to, so give instruction to driver that hey driver, search for XPath this. One beauty of any website, I will tell you, that they always create website with some pattern so that it's easy for us to find out anything. So see, the both XPath is same. There is only one thing different, is that this one here it is division 1 and here it is division 3. So this is the first post, this one is third one, and next one is next we want fifth one. Okay, so let's set time dot sleep of 5 seconds, and then like 3 driver dot find element by XPath and post the same one, and only edit this one from here. From here 1 3 and here 5, and give some time dot sleep. Give the time of 5 seconds, hit save and see. So driver is on Chrome typing Facebook, searching for Facebook. I think there is some internet issue. Let's rerun our code. Sometimes we face error due to internet issues, so always recommended to check your internet connection so that there is no error. So driver okay, so driver logged in to the login page, and now driver is typing email ID, password, so driver logged in Facebook successfully, like the first post. Okay, third one, and okay, so driver is liking the first, third and fifth post. Oh, we have not set its click functionality. That's why it's showing some error. Not error, but it's not liking the fifth post. Now it will like. Okay, so see. So the driver is open the login page of Facebook, typing for email ID, password, and driver logged in Facebook. Okay, driver like first post, third post, and fifth post. Okay, nice. So our task is done, and now what I want that it's explore Facebook. Okay, to explore Facebook, what I want that driver start from here and click this button, and then this button, and then this button, and then this button, and then notification section, and then my profile page, my profile. Okay, so to make driver to click this button, we have to see this class. So this is the class which we want to use. So copy its XPath, and same logic you have to do here. Comment out. Same thing you have to do. Define one button variable video and tell driver that hey driver, find that XPath and simply click that button and give some time dot sleep. Give some time dot sleep of 5 seconds, and next section I have to define. Let's define all the section. Next one is this one. This one is shopping section, marketplace section. Okay, copy its XPath and go to market and tell driver that hey driver, go to marketplace section, check its XPath. This is the XPath, and click that button and check for 5 seconds there, and then what I want the driver go in group section. So copy its XPath, and same you have to do. Define group driver, give same instruction driver.xpath, and same, and then give some time dot sleep of 5 seconds. Okay, so next what I want to explore driver in game section. Same thing in game section also. Game, define one game variable and tell driver to find that section by XPath, and simply paste that and instruct driver to click that section, and hey driver, take some time. And then next what I want to click this notification button. For notification button, go here, search as XPath and define notification, and then same struct.find element by XPath, click that one, dot click, wait for 5 seconds, and at last go to timeline. So this is the timeline. So profile, define variable, and same define driver.find element by XPath and instruct driver so our task is done. Time dot sleep of 10 seconds, and let's see. So this is the final code I have done, and let's see what's happening. So driver is typing Facebook and driver search Facebook. Okay, okay, so driver is not opening the Facebook login page. I think there is some error, no such element accept. Sometimes there is some issue, and what's the issue? We have to see in line 23 there is some issue, and invalid selector exception. I think now it will execute. Okay, so our task is done. So this is something we have to do. So let hit run and see the result. First of all, I have to quit this. So driver is searching for Facebook. Okay. So driver logged in to the login page of Facebook. Okay, so driver is typing email ID, password, okay, so we successfully logged into the Facebook. First post, driver liking first post, third one, and fifth one which we want. Okay, fifth one, and driver is seeing video section and the marketplace and the group, and also seeing the gaming section and notification, nice, and the timeline. So our program is performing the same which I've showed you in the introduction of my project. So you can also automate here by setting it so that when it posts some status on Facebook. I will show you how you can do this. So from here you can go and copy this XPath and tell driver to send keys which status you want to post, and when you open this, and you will see something like this, and you can send keys here, and by simply clicking this post button you will post your status. I am not doing this because then I have to delete that status every time, so I am not doing this, but similarly you can do that also. So this is very easy, and I hope you guys are feeling now very confident in our automation and also confident in using Selenium. and it's very easy to learn. There is no any issue. As you have seen here, just I'm playing with inspection tool and just searching for class and then setting my driver to identify that class and execute that. It's very easy to use and it's very interesting project. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and make sure that this dealing with pop-up line, try to write this same which I have written it, because if you are doing any error in this, then you will definitely face some issue. So try to do the same. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial on this project. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you guys.